Good morning, y'all. I wanted to do a video on alternative to toilet paper. Morning, y'all. I decided to make this video so y'all can come down about running out of toilet paper. I mean, I've been doing this for years anyway. What I have here is a Kleenex holder. See? The Kleenex holder. Okay. See these washcloths? You can tell they've been washed. Alright, I'll show you how to do that. Then you stick them in there. We're going to fill it up. Show you down here. I can get down here. I have stacks of these cut up already. Now I'll tell you what we're doing here. You're going to fill this up. And then you're going to take it over here to the back of your toilet. Turn it upside down, and you want to get a wide mouth Kleenex holder. Pull that up, and you can use them. This is only for TT. This is my bathroom, so no one's sharing my rags. But I'll show you how to do that. And I've got stacks and stacks and stacks of these. I wash them once a month. That's how long it lasts. I put them in a trash can. I have my dirty trash and this is where these go. And I just keep bagging them up until I got a month's worth. I've cut that many up. Let me show you how you do that. Let's see. You take a wash rag. Now don't buy the ones at Walmart 18 pack. They're too small. You don't want to end up with a tiny piece. This one is the 9 pack at Walmart. That size. And all you're going to do, let me see if I can lower this a little bit. Get you over there on the cabinet part. You can see what I'm doing. You're just going to cut it into a square. Fold it over. Cut it. Fold that half it again. That's going to give you 4 little squares when you go to TT. Now, I'm not saying this is for number 2. You got your 4 squares. Decent size. When you go to wipe, you can fold it over for TT if you know, if you're a dribbler. So anyway, then you want to put it into your napkin thing or whatever holder you have. I turn this upside down. See if I can show you what I'm doing. Turn it upside down. Put those in there. And flip it back up. I'm kind of tired of poor little old me without no toilet paper. I managed to get this roll the other day. And that's going to stretch my toilet paper. I have stacks and stacks of these washcloths. Now, I have a washer and dryer. For those that do not have a washer and dryer, there is the bucket method. And if you don't know how to use the bucket method, you don't need to be watching this YouTube. Because, you know, put your soap in there. Use concentrated bleach. I get this at Dollar General. And you just put your hot soapy water in there. And then you're going to take those rags and go up. Let's see if I can throw some dirty ones in there. I'm not going to wash them because I have a washer. I'm just surmising for y'all. Okay, so they're in there. So you just want to, that, and if you twist, see my wrist going like that? That makes a washer. Just don't go all the way down and try to, just twist your wrist and this will swish around like a washer. That's how you wash. And you can go up and down some. And then you can pour this out in your bathtub. You know. Alright. So that's how you wash if you don't have a washer. And to hang them up, you just find a place to spread them out on. You'll get inventive. Go buy you a drying rack. You can do it in the house. I don't suggest drying these outside. The reason why, pollen. You don't want to contaminate them. I throw mine in the dryer. Okay. So now that we got that over with, and you know, I showed you how to cut these up, and I have hundreds of them down here in my, okay. Now, baby wipes I use for number 2, and so I got this big bag the other day for number 2. I'm trying to save my toilet paper, especially for my husband, because he doesn't use these wash rags. So I've been doing this for years now. So I just don't understand what the panic is over toilet paper when everybody can do this. You can get toilet paper. You know, this is better than a rag. Let me take that off of there, the tripod, because my bathroom's not big enough. You see the stacks in there? Okay. I just filled mine up, so I'll put that back in there. You just cut them up like that. And voila. There's your toilet paper. And I suggest that's for number 1. Number 1 means TT. So anyway, y'all don't freak out about not having toilet paper. A lot of older people, they like to, if you pee a lot, especially for people that pee a lot and use a lot of paper, then, and then you have 2 trash cans. You're going to have one for your dirty and one for those. They put those back in there. I have a washer. I got a front loader and it's got a sanitizer on it. But I've been doing this for years. And see, it doesn't look tacky on the back of your toilet. So, y'all don't freak out about not having toilet paper. There's other ways. Now, you can figure out your number 2 if you want to do it the same way. I would suggest you use a different color rag for that purpose, if you're going to do that. Now, my first child grew up on diapers. How do you think I washed out the diapers? Yep, in the bucket with the plunger. And first you scrape off, then you just get like a knife or something, one dedicated, butter knife, dedicated. If if you have a baby and you need to wash their butts, how do you think we used to wash their rags out and their diapers before we washed them? And sometimes, you know, and if you don't have a bucket, everybody should have a plunger in the house. You could just do it in your bathtub. But you want that water as hot as possible. All right. That's what I got to say about toilet paper. Y'all have a good day. Bye.